a movie. I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh.
Okay guys, so nandito na kami sa Terminal 3. Ay nagpark kami guys dito sa multi-level parking nila. So ayan, dito kami sa C2. So iiwan namin ng sasakyan guys for 3 days.
We both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us.
Okay, so kakain muna kami guys dito sa Binalot para mag-lunch muna kami guys bago kami pumasok sa gate. Actually, naka-online check-in na din kami, so no need to worry. Pero of course, kailangan pa rin ng maaga. Siyempre, para if merong abere guys, okay tayo.
Chicken adobo.
$117 na. Pupunta na din kami sa gate para doon na lang din kami mag-wait.
We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs, with our best moves we get groovy.
It is now parked this past arriving. 10 minutes.
My oh my, we both look so fly like sweet.
We just landed at Puerto Princesa Airport. So, nandito na kami guys. 4:48 PM. On time siya guys. And we're here! Puerto Princesa. The meeting. Yay!
I think there's another.
Nakalabas na kami ng airport. And sinundo na kami guys ng dito namin.
And maybe in that other universe, I'm a flower and you're the rain. I think somewhere in
Nandito na kami guys sa room namin. So we booked at Casamigos apartment. So nakuha namin siya for around 3,600 guys. And good for 4 packs na siya. Actually, sobrang spacious niya. Sobrang solid. After nito, pupunta muna kami guys sa Baker Hills para mamasyal. Alright, see you! Nasa Baker's Hills na kayo. Diretso lang kayo ng konti. Dalawang pataan. Yun na yun. Makikita nyo naman may signage sila ng slides and adventure. Pero ilalagay ko na lang dito guys. Pagbalik namin, videoan ko na lang. So, ang makikita nyo dito is, ayan. Tapos yung overlooking nila. Ayan. Time check guys. 7:07 and we're finally here at Puerto Princesa Baywalk or ang tinatawag nilang baybay guys. Dito pa lang kami sa bungad guys pero marami na pong pagpipili. So lakad pa tayo doon para ma-check na. Sa kabila guys, ito na po yung dagat. Good morning everyone. Today is our day 2 here at Puerto Princesa. And time check guys, it's 5:30. So pa sunrise na. Pupunta na din yan kami guys sa underground. Pero bago ang lahat, susundin muna namin dito ko guys sa San Manuel.
Tastes like honey may never come. Road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, rider in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, summer's on my mind.
You know, after 20 minutes guys ng boat ride. Tapos, ayan guys, pagpasok mo, na ang underground river signage.
You are a considered survivor. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Stay on your job. Alright.
Pero wala kami talaba lang eh.
Parang talaba lang yun.
Nung kuya, hindi niluluno.
Pag niya mo na, luwa mo na.
Ilan lang yan.
After namin mag-underground river, nag-lunch muna kami dito. Maglakad lang kayo ng konti sa tabi ng ATM. Buffet lunch lang kami for 350. So after nito guys, baka pupunta kami sa Honda Bay. Check namin kung may available pa for island hopping.
Got this song up inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say, just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your way? And every year we're expected to show.
First stop namin guys sa Starfish Island. Gaanong tao? Mga 2 groups or 3 groups lang yung nandito. Maghahanap muna kami syempre ng starfish. Personally, yung mga starfish. Sana meron kami makita. And then after dito guys, ilipat na kami ng ibang island.
Shadows of the morning are crawling on my floor. When I just wanna lie here, nothing less, nothing more. There's raindrops on my window, and I'm going nowhere fast. Behind these closed eyes, I visualize what will come and what is past.
Next stop guys, dito kami sa Pambato Reef. Dito pwede na daw maligo at saka magpakain ng mga
So
isda.
I'm gonna take my best shot. Shot out of bed into the tip top. Sitting on the edge of my bed, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I found a little piece of homestead.
Good spot guys. Dito kami ngayon sa Luli Island. Ito tinatawag nila ng Luli dahil sa word na lulubog at lilitaw ang island. Okay, so low tide daw ngayon kaya walang tubig dito, pero kapag high tide, yan, gandun yung tubig. Yay!
Stars above, Soft ocean waves, melody so light.
For the last and fourth beach, guys, or Kauri Island. Dito madaming tao at saka mas malawak yung sandbar. Madami din nagsuswimming sa ngayon.
Close your eyes, let the world fade. Feel the rhythm, soothing soft ocean waves.
Good morning, everyone. So today is August 1. This is our day 3 and our last day here in Palawan. So ang gagawin lang namin for today is magla-land tour. Preparing na din kami, guys. Time check, it's 7:30 in the morning. Medyo maaga para mas madami kaming mapuntahan or magawang activities. Okay, nandito na kami sa Crocodile Farm, guys. Nagbayad lang kami ng 40 pesos and may schedule pa yung tour nila.
Rest po na kasama ni Sir Ricky Joy inside. Start po ng tour nyo exactly 9 o'clock. Then na mo.
Kung mapapansin mo kasi itong balat na Rio, masyado na po itong matigas at tuyo para ma-process pa ng machine. So, ang ginawa po dito sa balat niya, dinisplay na lang.
Guys, dito sa Butterfly Garden and Tribal Village nila. So, nagbayad kami ng 40 pesos.
Dahil sa pagkasira ng kanilang natural habitat and because some people hunt them as
product nila tulad ng hawak niyong bag take. So, kapag napupuno na ito, tinatalian nila ito pinakaharapan para yung mga nilalagay po nila ay hindi mahulog. Range ng 30 kilos. So, sila po ay mga music lovers. Blow dart. Until now, hindi po sila gumagamit ng bow and arrow. So ngayon, tingnan po natin kung paano sila nag-shoot ng animals doon po sa kanilang example sa drawing board. Ayan. Ayun, good shots. Nasa po yung mata.
Dito man. Then, how? Tapos ito lang magsakay ko.
Next stop, guys, Alicia's Secret Garden. So, may entrance fee ng 100 pesos. Last stop, guys, dito sa Badjao Restaurant. Time check, it's 12:06. So, dito na din kami magla-lunch, guys, before kami mag-fly.
Even when the river stops, even when it all looks different, even if I grow up, even if something's missing, yeah, something's missing, I'm still coming home, I'm still coming home. To breathe the air that tastes so sweet and
We're back in Manila. Just landed, guys. So, papunta na kami sa sasakyan. Ito ko natatapusin ng vlog na to. And yun lang. Maraming salamat, guys, for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!
me.